Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the future of automotive excellence, the Yangwang U7. This isn't just a car, it's a statement. Whether you choose the plug-in hybrid powerhouse or the all-electric marvel, the U7 redefines luxury, performance, and innovation. With seating for 5 in the luxury edition or 4 in the ultra-exclusive flagship edition, this is a vehicle designed to dominate the road and your expectations. Buckle up, because the revolution starts now. Let's talk about head-turning design. The Yangwang U7 stretches over 5 meters long with a wheelbase of 3.2 meters, giving it a commanding presence. Up front, Interstellar LED headlights pierce the night, while the dynamic pixel lighting, optional, adds a futuristic flair. The electric rear spoiler isn't just for show. It optimizes aerodynamics. And check out the hidden electric door handles and projection welcome lights that make every approach feel like a red carpet moment. Want more drama? Opt for the carbon fiber kit for aggressive styling. This isn't just a car, it's a masterpiece in motion. Step inside, and the U7 pampers you with Nappa leather seats. Available in Yunjin red or Juduan white. The flagship edition swaps 5 seats for 4 individual thrones with 20-way power adjustment, massage, and ventilation. Rear passengers? They get heating, cooling, and even a fold-out table with footrests. The suede headliner and 127-color ambient lighting set the mood, while the 23-speaker Dynaudio Platinum Evidence sound system delivers concert hall audio. Plus, dual-zone climate control and an air purification system keep the cabin fresh. Luxury? The U7 wrote the book. Under the hood, the PHEV version packs a 2-liter turbocharged boxer engine paired with 4 electric motors. Total output? A jaw-dropping 1,306 horsepower and 1,680 newton-meters of torque. 0 to 60? Just 2.9 seconds. The EV model trades gas for a 135.5 kilowatt-hour battery, delivering 720 kilometers of range. Both feature all-wheel drive, carbon ceramic brakes, and rear-wheel steering for razor-sharp handling. This isn't just fast, it's teleportation. Asterisk, efficiency meets insanity. The PHEV U7 sips fuel with a combined range of 1,000 kilometers, while the EV version recharges from 30 to 80% in just 20 minutes on a 500 kilowatt DC charger. Both support scheduled charging and vehicle-to-load power output 6 kilowatts. Perfect for tailgating or emergencies. Choose your flavor: hybrid flexibility or zero-emission dominance. Tech? The U7 is overloaded. The D-Link 150 system runs on a 4-nanometer chip with 16 gigabytes of RAM. You get 3 massive screens up front, including a 23.6-inch passenger display and 2 12.8-inch rear screens in the flagship. AR-HUD, 5G connectivity, and UWB digital keys are standard. Plus, the Eye of God ADS handles everything from city navigation assist to valet parking. Asterisk, at 5,360 millimeters long, the U7 is a land yacht with a 4.85-meter turning radius. Shockingly agile. Safety? 10 airbags, blind spot monitoring, and night vision come standard. The Yangwang Z suspension adapts to every bump, while laser radar and 12 ultrasonic sensors watch your back. And peace of mind? A 5-year or 100,000-kilometer warranty has you covered. Price? The luxury edition starts at $108,200, while the flagship edition commands $122,000. The Yangwang U7 isn't just the future, it's the future you can drive today. Hit like, subscribe, and tell us, PHEV or EV. See you next time on Crazy Auto Premiere.